water, yeah, water, goddamn, water, water, okay, water, what, water, drip, water, splash, water.
What up, fam? Kangen Water Wednesdays episode 11. I don't know why I'm laughing. Probably because I'm so happy to have this fantastic machine. Oh, I'm sorry. My name's NoiL. I'm from Honolulu, Hawaii. And what am I gonna explain to you? Okay. So a lot of people are asking me, okay, where can I get Kangen water from? What store is it from? You actually can't get it from a store. Kangen water has a shelf life of anywhere from 24 to 48 hours. The water comes out of the tap, flows into the machine, goes through a double carbon antibacterial filter, and what that means is it sterilizes the water and it cleans it, gets all of that gunk out that your Brita water doesn't, Brita filters don't do. Then the water doesn't stop there. It flows over 7 titanium platinum coated plates, which charges the water and packs it with a bunch of electrons.
Organic food naturally has more electrons than conventional food. We know that because, you know, they have to have more electrons. The more electrons anything has, the healthier it is.
And it flows straight into your cup. You can see it's cloudy because no, that's not dust particles. No, that's not garbage. What that is molecular hydrogen. But what that does is help your body heal itself. Most importantly, I'm helping the environment. I'm not buying plastic water bottles. I don't think you should buy plastic water bottles either. If you really truly care about the environment, you won't be walking into 7-Eleven and opening up that glass door and grabbing bottled water, grabbing your Fiji or your Evian or your Dasani or your Aquafina. I literally carried around this bottle, literally have this same plastic bottle for a whole year. I'm not buying bottled waters. I am not buying bottled water. I see a lot of people around in my office, they just buy bottles and bottles of water. You are probably one of the people who are buying bottles and bottles of water from Costco and just polluting the earth even more. I'm gonna read up some facts for you. Where's my flashcards? 93% of bottled water contains microplastic. I just found this out. So essentially, all the bottled water that you're buying from the stores and drinking has microplastic inside. Don't believe me? Go look it up. Microplastic is inside your bottled water. It takes 450 years for one single plastic water bottle to degrade. 450 years. 80% of plastic bottles purchased by Americans end up in landfills. That's roughly 60 million bottles that are tossed out daily. Got it? Got it. So when you're in the supermarket aisle and you're walking down and you see all the bottled waters on the shelf, just think that half of the bottled water on the shelf are coming straight from the tap. They don't get it from natural springs. No, they get it straight from the tap. All right, fam. I love your faces. Kangen Water Wednesdays, episode 11. Peace. 60%. So 80% of water